empezar.
Mommy, what was our score?
Este postre está muy bueno.
Con la carrera que tú hiciste y con esa ganaron.
The run that I did?
No, porque luego no alcanzo a agarrar esos dos.
I was afraid to slide though.
Ahí se va.
Sliding is scary. Let's go, Kermit!
No le gusta que me corra el manejador.
Que estos te van a jugar contra él.
Well, now you're going to be watching.
Suelo.
Yeah.
Pero vente rápido.
Yeah, I'll text you.
No!
Get ready, girls, get ready.
Baby blue. Baby blue. Love on the ground! Which is
Right now.
fall. The glaciers.
A los dos.
They go literally 50 miles per hour. Between those.
Los coches de nosotros los veo muy
Get
piratas.
ready, girls, get ready.
Cuéntalo. Es el que trae el lentito negro.
She got hit.
Este que está ahí. En las greñas, pues ese indio. Mira oriental, pero tiene las greñas como hippie.
Battle scar.
Do you see a battle scar?
Get ready, girls, get ready. Get ready for it.
Se le fue la pelota.
Hold it, hold it.
It's okay.
That's all right, ladies. Keep your head in the game.
It's okay.
The first game.
Look at that.
It's okay, Wera. Be ready, Wera. You can do it.
The runners. Get that out, ladies.
Not hit. Not
Nice pitch, nice pitch. You got to run on two. Run on two.
I haven't taken time.
Back up third base.
down the middle.
He's ready. It's okay, it's okay. Let's go, Glaciers.
Yep, that's it.
You ready, ladies?
Yes.
Thank God.
Somewhere.
Oh, Lord.
Out.
Foul.
Foul ball.
Out. That's all I was saying. They're a very confident
Let's
person.
go. You ready, girls?
Hecho.
Good. Hey, Dad, you want some?
Here, Lara. Lara.
You don't need to be on a diet.
There's.
Pero entró la revancha y metieron carrera.
Sí, era tirado también.
It helps you prevent getting everybody has it.
Ready,
Everybody
girls,
has it.
get ready.
Out front. Get out front, okay? Out front. Come on, ladies.
Get ready, Widow. Get ready, hon. Get ready on first.
Grab that bag and put his stuff in somewhere.
That was good. One more.
Go, Fisher. You can do this.
Cuando llegamos,
Get ready, girls.
They hit a home run like outside the gate.
Cuando llegamos, 4 jets de la guerra pasaron así jodida.
You really want to hit.
Nice pitch. You got your infield there, Jeff.
Esa es una... Yeah, drama.
You got this, girls. You got this.
Mire uno la vez, vaya así, 500 bolas.
Y cuando todavía se parecen que son vispas, no puro nada.
Put it one more time.
Porque lo conecta al celular. Ese que miren nada más, pones el celular aquí en el control.
Miras el video, pues el video.
Okay, girls. Run on first. Run on first. Be ready. Be ready, girls. Be ready. One out. 2 more outs.
Shortstop, you get the throw. Let's get that 2, ladies. Infield.
Get this, Layla. Get ready, girls. Get ready. Be ready for it.
Let's go, Layla.
Take it. Okay, it's okay. Good job. Be ready, girls. Be ready. Come on, girls. 2 more outs. Any base will get you an out.
Any base, lady, just tap the base.
Food train. Let's go, Layla. You're on the diet. You're not on the diet. Okay, what's this? Apple strudel.
Ready, girls? Be ready?
Oh gosh, I should not play that.
Ready, girls?
Marvin, back up third base.
Rafael, be ready! Let down!
Good pitch, Layla, good pitch.
You can do this, Glaciers. You got this. Any base.
Outfield, be ready! Gloves down! How do I open these things? One more! They should open this thing.
Lock it up. Any base. Ready, girls?
Estos sí siguen los scores mejor, ¿verdad, Laura?
Infield, be ready! This thing is good.
They follow the score better.
You ready, girls?
But there were times you were like,
Ready, Diana?
You got this.
¿verdad? Whatever.
I think it's good. Infield, be ready!
Come on, Eva!
Is that foul?
Foul ball! Foul ball!
Yeah, she did foul ball.
She's probably nervous.
Ready, guys? Be ready.
Pero igual cuenta como out.
2 more outs. You got it.
It is good. Everyone be ready, go down!
Wake up.
Se está defendiendo.
Lo bueno que tienen el cerco, ¿no? Pero es que esto es la próxima semana. No saben ni qué onda.
I think the only way I'm good at baseball is on video.
Entraron las carreras. Dos carreras entraron. Y ya son 3 carreras. ¿Qué?
It's okay, girls. It's okay. Shake it off.
Era qué bonito hubiera sido si la hubiera cachado. Y luego aventado.
Sí, porque hacen pisicorre.
It's okay. It's okay. Shake it off, girls.
Shake it off!
First base, Diana.
Go, 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 go.
There you go.
One more.
No sé por qué lo hizo así.
Sí, pues tenían todo el tiempo, ¿no? Y hasta para sacarla.
No sé qué. ¿O será que ya estaba adentro?
Gluten free, no sugar. Not a low calorie.
Let's go, girls. One more out. Easy out.
¿Cuántas carreras?
Keep it in the game!
Uno que tiene que ganar.
No, hasta el Lampard no se salva. Me dio un pelotazo.
What happened with the ass wasn't
It is. Isn't it?
Me pegó el Lampard. Me dio un pelotazo en
Sí.
el copete. Que se sobe.
First or second, girls. First or second. One more out.
okay.
Hey, Mom.
Get the little nice
Está con el score.
Doesn't matter.
Come on, they got a base runner. One more out, girls. You got this. You got this. First or second. She's going.
Come on now.
Muy arriba.
Good job.
Y todo le hizo swing, ¿no?
Good thing she
Le hizo swing para que no le pegara. Échense para allá.
One more out, girls. Be ready. Right, Diana. First base. Nice. Good job, girls. Good job.
They're bad.
Good job.
Cuando se parla, se pone el Lampard con pinacate.
I need your head right here.
go, girl. Girl power.
Don't be at it. Don't be at it. Now when you swing that stuff over your head.
Good night, Day-Day.
Ahorra poquito también.
Hey. Hey, what's up with the catches and stuff? Look at it. Look at it.
And if she has a...
How old is she?
No, tiene un montón de brazos. Mira bien rápido.
Pop their heads out.
Y está bien rápida y liviana.
Impressive. Por una parte está bien, por catcher pues
Good eye, good eye.
está bajita, ¿no?
Sí, ya no tiene un montón de brazos. Ya está grande, ya no es chaparrita. Quiebra la lámpara.
See the ball, be the ball.
¿Cuántas bolas son?
3, ¿no?
Un chorro. Pues si van 3 ahí son 4. ¿Quieres la comida?
Strike, you gotta go at it.
That's all fine. You got this. Oh, that's your grandma's business.
Ándale. Ya la agarró. Buena. Good play. 2 outs. Just like that.
That's all right.
Seems good.
Le cayó el puro one.
Sí. Nice play.
We made a good play.
It's okay, girls. It's okay.
And now they like that.
I need base runners.
Okay, girls.
Don't have for out. Don't you swing that bad pitch.
Come on, babe. Watch that ball.
One of them is all you need. One is all you need.
Fastball just on speed, stay back in the pit.
Good one.
Ahí está, rápido. Qué rápido hicieron. Qué buena.
Let's go, ladies.
Come on, ladies. Let it go.
Infield.
Girls, girl power.
Not like with the girl voice, but like with the...
Way to do it. That's the way to do it.
No, and you're right.
Let's go, girls. Girl power.
Lo que tienen ellos también es buen pitcher.
One more. Right there.
Come on, 13.
Victoria, in about 5.
I was 11. And I'm 10.
Ya está, ya afuera. Son 3.
1, 2, 3, girls. 1, 2, 3. That's the way to do it.
I got the t-shirt of the
Como que Lampard se duerme porque no cuenta los free strikes. Si no fuera por él, ahí estuvieran.
Sí, con la mano a las...
Sí, al último, ya cuando él dijo.
Dang, look at her. She knows everything.
Chiquita está ella.
Forming out techniques.
Adiós.
She knows
Una sorpresa.
she knows answers from the part.
Nice, nice, that's great.
The problem is that she has a very difficult strike zone because está tan bajita. Most of the balls that usually are strikes for others will be balls for her.
Dang, she has spin now.
Come on, let's go, be ready.
Just so little.
One more out, one more out.
When it comes to batting, it doesn't help her size.
Outfield, back up one.
Good job, ladies!
Glacier. Like an ice glacier, the one that hit the Titanic.
Yeah, I was
The
about
one
to say
that
like, oh, like Titanic.
Yeah.
The opener when you go down there. The opener. Stay up here. All right. Everything's up here. All right?
Take the ball.
In other words, if I be smelling good, you.
Let's go, Glacier! I'm watching!
We're watching you. Watch us.
Have the whole crowd, please.
Go, drive it somewhere. Drive it.
Kid, nothing above, nothing below. Go swing, kid.
Three.
He's a cut
We don't do this. Not here.
Nothing above, nothing below, kid.
Foot come down, back come down.
Nice, good eye. Good eye, number 4, good eye.
And no higher.
Down, down, down. We don't run. Down, down. Okay? There you go. There you go. Down, down. Good hit, good hit.
Okay, it's okay.
It's okay, ladies!
Way to hit the ball. Down, down, baby. Down, down.
Run like I said.
Down, down.
Run, I said.
Okay, it's okay, girls.
You know what a strike looks like.
It's okay.
That's for yours. That's for yours. Down, down. Down, down.
You too. Nothing above, nothing below.
Okay, it's okay. Go, Glacier.
Yeah, watch that ball.
Go, my Simba. Wait for it, Diana. Wait for it.
Try again, AJ.
Be ready, girls. Be ready. Here we go.
Right there!
Oh, there it is.
Go fuck with it. Yeah, go fuck with it.
Behind that big tree right there.
Let's
I'm gonna get sprayed by it.
Be ready, girls. Be ready.
the bait and tomato juice.
Be ready, Brian. Be ready.
Leave the skunk alone.
Be ready, girls. Be ready.
How you feel?
Hungry.
Everyone, let's go!
¿Te duele? ¿Le huele?
Yeah.
So that's that smell. I thought it was a skunk.
Oh, ya vienen.
Dude, number one, just don't say that.
Head in the game, ladies! Head in the game!
Be ready, girls. Run out first. Run out first.
Make two up the middle.
Be ready, girls. Be ready.
Let's go!
Be ready.
Oh, you got him out.
Good play.
All there was.
Double play, winner. Double play. First home. Good job, girls. Good job. Good job.
Leilani, you understand it, okay?
It's gonna be a long evening.
Everyone, let's go!
Come on in a little bit.
Okay, be ready, girls. Be ready.
Stay right there.
Leilani, need a hit.
Let's go!
Got a runner.
Bueno. Qué buen sabor, tiene como chilito.
Get ready, girls. Get ready, Diana.
Me voy a echar un juguito de jalapeño.
Entonces va a poner un pico.
Come on, one more strike, Lena.
No.
One more strike. You can do it. Give it to her fast. Give it to her fast, girl.
Let's go!
Ooh.
One more. Get her up.
Les falta nomás un agua.
I'm bringing my chair.
Oh, jeez.
What's the score now?
I have no idea.
Mom, what's the score?
You ready, girls? You ready?
No, the score. Oh, no.
Ready?
I think it's 40-0.
So they've scored?
One more, one more. Ready, girls? You ready?
So they've scored 4?
Be ready, ladies!
Take your time, babe. Watch that ball.
Come on, Eva.
That was the first time she gets in the face.
That hurt.
Huh?
It hurt.
The problem with this team is that los girls
You don't
que
need a
tienen
face mask.
problema con estas muchachas es que las primeras que tienen que agarrar la pelota se les va la pelota.
But mom told me to wear a mask.
Porque esa fácilmente una de ellas las hubiera podido
Okay, but you didn't buy one for Emma.
No, I didn't buy one for Emma. She's like me. I'm like, Diana, you need a mask. You don't need to play. Hardcore. No.
Uy, ya se le va a acabar también esto.
I got 2 right now.
Everyone, gloves down. You got this, girl. Power. You run a base.
Made it all the way to Mars, Eva.
Coming on that side. She's walking down. She's probably coming from the stairs, but go that way. Go that way.
Come on, it's over your head. We can't swing at it, Eva. Can't do that way.
How you not even here?
Good eye, baby, good eye!
Oh yeah, it's like a turn. Go down and get down. Yeah, she's like, what's down here? I was like, I bet you didn't look at what's down. I just got tired.
Rio, you gotta throw a strike, okay? You don't have to swing.
Okay, that's what I figured. I think.
Got a blue?
I think I'm just found it.
Good.
Está bueno, agarró base. No la poncharon.
Who's on deck?
Ahora puede correr y meter, así como hizo la ahorita.
At least you got a base.
Sí, sí, that's good, that's good.
Good job, baby!
That's what happened to you, right?
Jasmine's parents affected me.
You were the winning run.
The one who.
We gotta keep those feet still.
She told Laura.
Yeah, you know I'm gonna upload this stuff on YouTube, right? Just letting you know.
You don't know my face, you don't know my name.
I can fix that right now.
You see Andrew go there walking? He's walking towards your car. He's running towards your car. Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Come on, number 10.
Come on. Sit down and wait on it. Sit down, don't reach for it. Let it come to you and turn on it. Sit down and wait on it. Don't reach for it. Let it come to you and drive it. All right, that's all right.
That's all right, ladies!
That's all right.
Number 1 looks determined. Jasmine looks determined.
Jasmine.
Y es de la que no sabe cachar tampoco, ¿verdad?
Don't lean forward. Stay back and turn. Stay back and drive it.
Come on, Jasmine, do it.
Go, Eva, go! Stop, stop!
There you go, baby!
Well, we we still.
¿Qué me pasó?
Coach Barnes, when he says still base, he goes like touches his back.
I didn't even see that coming. I just hear running out. So fast.
Yeah, every time he steals the base, but it's fine. The coach steals the base, he goes
Gotta
like,
keep your weight back.
Es el hermano.
Don't lean forward. Just stay back and turn.
No, hasta que...
after she lets go of the ball, she can
Yeah.
take the lead and then run.
Mira, nosotros, esta gente se le dan
Se saquen una carrera, pero ya la de la...
Come on, Bella!
You have to care about the other one. The left one will win.
Yeah, Carlos is the left.
Hey, go lefty! Se cachó está ahí.
Ready, girls?
Está bien alto.
Ready swing, all right?
Para que le mande.
Second base. Okay, we're going to work on that one.
Okay, Bella.
Bella. Pretend like it's your little brother. Just beat him. Just beat it. There you go. See?
Nunca me di cuenta que lo pagaba. ¿El celular o estaba? Está mirando.
Come on, Bella!
Let's go, Bella.
All right, Cole. That's on you. That's on you. That's on you.
Come on, girlfriend.
Get out, Bella. 2 strikes. You got to drive it tomorrow. Hit it hard, Bella.
Si se le va la pelota esta entra. Esa niña está bien feroz.
First. Pick, third. Good job, baby.
Ahí viene el mosquito. ¿Cómo que el mosquito volador?
Tu águila era que no.
Uy, para que no entre la carrera, pues.
Sí, eso cero.
Left field, in.
¿Eh?
10 lleva.
Left field, in.
Me dije que eran un chorro.
Left field. That's it. Driving. Sosa, come in tomorrow. In tomorrow. Sosa, in tomorrow. Drive it, AJ. Drive it. Thank you.
Mira. Papi. Cuida tus bolsas, ¿eh? Cuida tus bolsas.
That's it.
Go, girls. Let's go.
You coming till I tell you to
You
stop.
can do it.
You coming till I tell you to stop. Good. Just like that, Layla. Your pitch, AJ. Your pitch. Let's go, Josie.
Dentro.
Let's go, Glaciers. Let's go. You can do it.
Glenda says good job and hello.
Taylor. I have game on Thursday.
Ah, she's still it.
It's because
Wouldn't you? Se dormieron.
it's because we had a lot of running. They took out me for one because yeah, to
Back up a couple.
Okay, that's okay. Dang,
What's fast?
she's like, she got the speed of a tiger.
Entonces, espérese.
Never underestimate a shrimp.
Es que mira,
I know, that kid's got